What's up, everybody? Good evening to you. Market up or down? Just at the last second, the market is up. And just to show a little quick detail, you can see what happened down all day and then bam, right at the end. So we need to check the brokerage. We did get our buy-in exactly for the price we put it in, so no need to update the spreadsheet. And that's all we do for today since the market finished up. So rather than make a bunch of stupid short videos that don't really say anything, we're just going to go right into the main account. So if you're new to the program or new to stocks, just leave now. Don't let the door hit you. But not a whole lot going on the main account either. We were able to buy positions in our day trade stocks. This one is on the 15. And you can see we had opportunities. Probably on a wick, but we got one in. Of course, oil, we're still waiting for it to run, and then we were able to buy some of this as well during the morning hours. So as far as commodities go, no action here as well. We're still kind of waiting for price to go up for that and get into the others as well. So a whole lot of nada. So what we need to do now is go through and look for a swing trade entry or a potential sell order to put in, right? So I'm just going to go through it pretty quick. We did have a few we were watching. I guess if you put on the daily, that would help. That looks more better. More better, baby. My aunt used to say that. God rest her soul. She always wanted it more better. See, these things are starting to go right up to the resistance point, but it's not something I'm willing to cut yet. It's been going sideways a long time, so that means when it finally breaks, it's going to go at a higher velocity. We're already just kind of hanging out, so might as well, right? Well, there's a scroll bar here too. We're not doing any flips because the market's up. Let's get back in here and rip through these. Then we have two of them we were looking at yesterday. We maybe could have found something. Just to be transparent too, I did put the short on today. I know it doesn't look like the market's going down when it goes straight up like that, but I've got my suspicions. I'm not telling you to go short. This is not your advice to follow along or anything like that. But I did a baby short on the markets because between now and the end of July, I just think we're going to get a dip. Not necessarily a crash or anything crazy, but that's one of the ways you can lock in your profits. It's more risky, but instead of just preserving the gains you made on the way up, you actually can make money as well. So I only got one on. I'll probably put 4 more on or 5 more on once it starts moving. I'll briefly go through that at the end of the video. So if you're interested, stick around. But like I said, I'm not trying to convince nobody to go short because the market goes up most of the time. And but there are a lot of reasons why I went ahead and put it on. So if I'm wrong, I'll still make money, but I'll make less money. And if I'm right, I'll make a lot of money. So those are the kind of trades you want. Small risk, high returns. That one's going to set up. thought we had one more, and then people getting out for the splits. This one. That one's going to be really pretty because it's spent a lot of time. And I like the stocks that move slower. I do. I mean, I know impatient people just want the volatility and stuff like that. Versus some of these swing trade setups and stuff, I don't mind to be in a stock a month or so. Make 5 or 6%. If you do the math on that, you're going to be very wealthy over time. So that's what we got. Go ahead and briefly go over this short, but like I said, uh, I'm not trying to convince somebody to go short. But the idea is divergence, right? So we had a 70 RSI hit here. The RSI was high. The price went up. RSI went down, down, down. Right. A little. You can see my alert here too. That's the brace for impact. I screwed something up. But if you go here to the weekly as well, we're up over the 70. We do not have divergence here though. See, 70 price went higher, RSI went higher, right? But where I really took my entry was here on the 4-hour, and you can see we had our little spike here of the 70. We did have more than 4 candles, and we're down here below this 5, right? And the trigger that got me to go into it is on the weekly. I had an alert set for this little blue line here, and price did come below it, so I pulled the trigger. I sure done did it. You can see the same thing sped up. Here's your four candles here under the blue. Dumper. But there at the end of the day, we showed some strength. I'm okay. Just hanging on either way. And if you have a good income coming in, or you're putting a lot out of your paycheck into your account, you should probably just do nothing, just keep buying stocks, right? But I'm putting most of my income is going in towards this gold, this charity. So just playing it safe, and I might have to pay for it, but it'll be okay. So that's all we got for today. Hope y'all have a great evening, and we'll try again tomorrow.